Baby Alive.
Hi guys, we're here with our Baby Alive little snacks baby, and she is wanting to try some candy. I have a pack of Smarties for her to eat, so let's open them. Here we go, and we will put them in her little bowl like this. Look at all these Smarties. She's gonna like that. So here are her Smarties that we're going to feed her. And she also has a bottle of blueberry juice. Do you want to drink? Good job. Do you want to try a little candy? Here you go. Good job. She likes Smarties. Here's a little bite. Is that good? Yum. Here's a little yellow one. If I can get it on the spoon. Here you go. Do you want another bite? Oh, look, we dropped one. Let's get her a little more from her bowl. Yum. How about another drink of your bottle? Good girl. Let's get her some more. Here's you another little candy. She is eating so good. You're such a good eater. Just a few more. Yum. Good girl. Yum. Oh, don't spit it out. Maybe she needs a little drink. There, that's better. All right, do you want some more? Here we go. You're such a good eater. Here's a little bite for you. Say, ah. Good job. Look, we got a little pink one. I don't know if you can tell. It looks kind of white on the camera. You have 4 left. Here's 1, 2, yum. 3, yum. Look guys, it's her last candy. Here we go, the last one. Say ah. Look, her bowl is empty. She ate all of her Smarties. Good job, baby girl. All right, let's have a little drink. Well, she ate really good, so I think we should check her diaper. Here's her diaper in the back. Oh, look inside. You can see all of her Smarties. All right, let's dump it back in the bowl. Oh, perfect. Now she's got a clean diaper. All right, guys, this was just a little feeding with our Baby Alive little snacks baby. If you liked it, please give us a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thanks for watching. Say bye.
Bye bye.